The city of Shillong, as the Scotland of East, is perhaps best known for its pleasant weather and natural beauty, but with its indigenous culture, throbbing market, and the plethora of options of recreation, Shillong is a compelling study of what the Northeast has to offer. The study is an attempt to delve deeper into the psyche of average Shillongite and understand if when it comes to spending his hard-earned leisurely hours and money, does he go by generally perceived notion of its habit, or is the ground reality a different story altogether? This is Police Bazaar, the heart of Shillong City. The market here has everything from high-end branded labels to street delicacies. It can be safely assumed that Police Bazaar is a fairly accurate sample to the population that is Shillong, since means of entertainment are numerous and a single person have multiple likings and not all with the same preferences. We realize that we will have to get detailed relative data from each survey. So finally a questionnaire was agreed upon after several hours of discussion and research.
So friends, let us discuss what we have been discussing for so many days. Let us start with the word food.
अच्छा हाँ, when it comes to food, I think there will be two categories: people who have food outside and those who love having food at home. और जो cuisines, उसमें आएगा Chinese, local खासी food, पंजाबी food and fast food जो हर जगह होता है. Food में.
बट दीपक हम यहाँ पे नॉनवेज पे एम्फेसिस कर सकते हैं बिकॉज यहाँ के ट्रेंड से पता चलता है लोग ये बीफ पोक और चिकन ये सब नॉनवेज ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं.
And what about the media and the entertainment sector?
Yes, medium is two things. Either they watch movies or they go for music. Either miss movies they can see at home or at TV, at cinema hall, or miss at home they can watch either TV series or movies.
And coming to music, I mean, people listen to a lot of genres like pop, Korean pop especially, and Bollywood music is very famous over here. And coming to the country music, there is Lou Majao, who's from Shillong and is a popular country musician, and there's local music industry involved. And Shillong is the rock capital of India, and there were many international concerts held over here in the past.
But there are other problems here, Karthik. Like for example, Jain Stadium, government has banned concerts there. Also, there's an entertainment tax here, which is up to 50%, which is unheard of anywhere.
Okay, what about the reading? People like to read here?
There are two categories. Novels, so I think people will read both local authors and international authors. And as far as like papers are concerned, so papers and magazines, people will read Shillong Times most, and there are other papers are also available.
And what about traveling?
यहाँ का पीपल यार बहुत एडवेंचरस है यार, बहुत ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं और बाइक लेके निकल जाते हैं. और यहाँ पे सुना है रॉयल एनफील्ड रैली चला था. सो
And also family picnics वो तो होगा ही.
हाँ जैसे many places.
Now comes the football part.
अच्छा तो स्पोर्ट्स में तो फुटबॉल तो इज ऑब्वियस वी हैव ऑल हर्ड अबाउट शिलोंग लाजोंग ऑब्वियसली फुटबॉल इज वेरी पॉपुलर बट वी हैव टू फिगर आउट वेदर एनी अदर आउटडोर और इंडोर गेम्स आर पॉपुलर हियर फॉर एग्जांपल इन स्कूल्स आई थिंक बास्केटबॉल माइट बी पॉपुलर सो वी नीड टू इंक्वायर अबाउट दैट
Any other hobbies that are left?
There are a lot of betting shops outside. So since it is legal and government is running a lot of betting.
Yes.
And plus finally those things will be there जो shopping, beverages, it will be there everywhere. तो यहाँ पे भी उसका भी that also will include. But I think.
But the thing is, guys, there's a lot of questions over here. If we go to a consumer and ask so many questions, he wouldn't want to answer.
Right.
So we need to just engage in a conversation, make it more of a qualitative analysis, make it as casual as possible, and then take it from their attitude, what they want.
So coming to the interpretation and analysis of the data that we collected during the market survey, we have come up with different activities and we have rated all these activities based on the preference of the interviewed person, and 1 would be the most unlikely thing that he's going to do and 5 would be the most likely thing that he's going to do, and this is the way we have analyzed. So after that we have taken this data for and we performed cluster analysis. We have taken k-mean methodology to do our cluster analysis, and we have chosen 3 clusters, and these are the results that you can see. So these are the activities and the ranks which are specified. So rank is nothing but the maximum average that the cluster which gets, and which is and that would be selected as a rank. And based on the data, cluster analysis data, we have created 3 profiles, and as you can see, the Venturous, the Fuddy Duddies and Free Spirits. We came up with the name because based on the activities that they have chosen, and we have considered totally 45 number of cases, and out of which 14, 22, 9 are the number of cases respectively for each profile, and these are the various activities of the profiles. So Venturous, Fuddy Duddies and Free Spirits, these are the activities. So some of the activities are these things, and based on the activities we have derived the traits of them, like go out and being conservative and free riders. These are the traits. So we have also enacted
I'm venturous of a lot. If I have money, I really love to spend it, and I don't feel guilty if I spend too much, and if I really like the product. And I'm an outgoing person. I don't like domestic chores. I'm an impulsive buyer, and yeah, I love to party and shop all night.
I am the fuddy-duddy of the lot. I'm a family man. I enjoy having my family around, and I also enjoy spending time at home. I have traditional values and I'm a man of simple needs, and I would make an investment only after I'm very certain about the pros and cons of the investments.
Hello, I am the free rider of the lot. I live life to the fullest. I am ready to take risk because I enjoy the thrill out of risky investment, and I'll spend if I'm enticed enough.